Get ready to test your brain power with a super fun general knowledge challenge. Let's jump in and see who can score the highest. Which river is often referred to as the Dakshina Ganga, Ganges of the South? A. Krishna, B. Godavari, C. Yamuna, D. Brahmaputra. The correct answer is B. Godavari. Which river is the longest river in India? A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Brahmaputra, D. Indus. The correct answer is A. Ganga. Fun fact, the length of the Brahmaputra is 2,900 kilometers, but in India, Brahmaputra length is only 916 kilometers. The Ganges is the longest river in India if we consider the total distance covered by a river within India. The length of the Ganga River is about 2,525 kilometers. Which river flows from the Western Ghats to the Arabian Sea? A. Godavari, B. Narmada, C. Kaveri, D. Yamuna. The correct answer is B. Narmada. Which river flows in the opposite direction, from east to west? A. Godavari, B. Mahanadi, C. Narmada, D. Yamuna. The correct answer is C. Narmada. What river is famous for its many tributaries and flows into the Bay of Bengal? A. Ganges, B. Ravi, C. Brahmaputra, D. Chenab. The correct answer is A. Ganges. Fun fact, the Ganges River is also known as the Ganga River. Which river is called the lifeline of South India? A. Yamuna, B. Godavari, C. Kaveri, D. Mahanadi. The correct answer is C. Kaveri. Fun fact, the Kaveri is crucial for agriculture in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Nile, B. Amazon, C. Mississippi, D. Yangtze. The correct answer is A. Nile. Fun fact, the Nile River measures about 6,650 kilometers, flowing through northeastern Africa. Which river is famous for its pink dolphins? A. Nile, B. Amazon, C. Mekong, D. Yangtze. The correct answer is B. Amazon. Fun fact, the Amazon is the largest river by discharge volume, home to diverse wildlife. It flows through the Amazon rainforest. Which for the following rivers doesn't flow through Punjab? A. Ravi, B. Chenab, C. Jhelum, D. Krishna. The correct answer is D. Krishna. Fun fact, Punjab, meaning land of 5 rivers, derives its name from these 5 rivers: Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, Sutlej, Beas. Which river is known as the lifeline of Northeast India? A. Brahmaputra, B. Teesta, C. Barak, D. Ganga. The correct answer is A. Brahmaputra. Woohoo! Congratulations, you did an amazing job on the quiz. Share your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exciting challenges.